guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome here to the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. We're out here right now. There's a whole bunch of different boats, anything from sport fishes and also some super yachts which we're going to check out. Let's go have a look.
It sound right, boys.
So we just left the convention center. We don't know a whole lot about boats. We just thought it was cool just to go in there and check out some of the smaller stuff, the sport fish, all those types of things. But now we're going towards the water taxi to take us to the other side where a lot of the yachts are. Like I said, we don't know a lot about boats, but we did want to see some yachts, see if we could get a tour on one of them, and just check out the scene over there. After a very long walk and a little bit of confusion, we finally made it here to Super Yacht Village. And right up front, we already have a 765 LT and a 720S. So got some cars and some boats. We're gonna go look around, see what we can find. We have a whole bunch of boat manufacturers to our right and some to our left and some cars to our right. We're gonna go take a look and see what we can find. I apologize for the wind. It might be kind of hard to hear me, but take a look at the size of some of these boats. Absolutely massive. I believe both of these right here are Bonettis. I want to see if we can go on them, but I'm also not going to walk into the water. Just huge. Guys, take a look at this. I don't even know what this thing is called, but it is absolutely massive. It's taller than the bridge.
It sound right, boys. So unfortunately we have not been able to find a boat that we can go on to take a tour yet, so we've just been kind of walking around looking at some of the manufacturers and their little models. Ooh, got the McLarens on right here. There's also a bunch of cars over here that we're gonna go check out. Looks like some old Astons, maybe a couple Ferraris. See what they got.
Give you the best ones. Comes through the holes. So on the back you've got the shifters, so up and down. This is an Aston Martin GT3 car, so it's not like a game. This is like getting in a race car now. So if you go too fast, you're going to crash. Exactly the same as you would on a track. So just build up to it slowly to learn the circuit, what you're doing. The throttle will just be sensitive, but the brake you really have to push really hard. I mean, and stay on it. It's not like a road car brake. All right?
And then go into drive into first.
Yeah, into first, and then it will show you on the screen what gear you're in. Okay, into first. Brake really hard to this one down to second gear. You're braking down to second. Roll it in. That's it. Then back on the gas. When the lights go blue, that's when you shift up.
So this is a partnership with Aston Martin from Curve Racing, and they have a racing simulator here. This is not like a video game, it's not anything like that, it's a legit simulator. As you can see, the steering wheel right there, it looks just like the Aston Martin Vulcan. This whole entire thing is carbon fiber. As you can see, the bucket seat, the tub, the steering wheel, even the paddles up there too. So this thing was really cool.
Thanks to the representative here, Jason, we were able to go on this and take this for a spin, as you guys saw from those clips. But this is a limited production. They only made 150 of these, and I think they have a few left. So if you guys are interested, the link will be in the description below to Curve Racing. Make sure to contact them. And there also is a brochure here. They have a whole bunch of colors and specs you can choose from the interior, the exterior color. And this is all a partnership with Aston Martin, like I said before. Original paint codes and real carbon fiber. So make sure you guys go check them out. Maybe get one for yourself. I had no idea the actual size of this show. We just went to the Super Yacht Village and then the convention center first, and then the Super Yacht Village, and now we are here at the main area. There are so many people, so many boats. Now I can understand why this is one of the biggest shows in the world. All right, after a much needed lunch, we are finally back out here in the main part of the show. There is so many people, there's so many vendors, and of course there's so many boats. So we actually know somebody that is working here. So we're gonna go try to check out them at Denison. I think they have a couple big boats, and just pretty much check out everything that's here. Look what we have walked into here. It's actually the first SF90 that I've seen. Got a Roma 488, 430, GT2 RS, Huracan, and a bunch of other Maseratis by Experience Auto Group. So I thought this was just a regular 430 until I saw it in the sun. It won't even focus, but this whole entire car is red carbon. Even the wheels too, that's ridiculous. Guys, it is crazy to see how many boats are actually here. It is ridiculous. This is just one section, and it goes all the way over here. And that's all you see, is just boats on boats. Got another helicopter on top of the yacht here. This one's called the Boardwalk. I have no idea how big it is, but this one is massive. The exhaust tips, I have no idea. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below, because I know nothing about boats. But this is a big one too, called Thunder from Falmouth. These are interesting. It's like a jet engine. This is unlike any car show we've ever been to, or any sort of show, because the money here is absolutely ridiculous. Thanks to some of our friends over at Denison Yachts. We are on Forever 5. This is a 75-foot Princess boat. Let's go take a tour. Coming up the first few steps here, we have the outside dining area up here. This is the main, kind of the main living area. Awesome.
And then here we got the galley. Shows this.
I'm assuming that's mainly for privacy.
Yeah, so if you have like a charter or something and you have chefs, you can kind of section off this whole little area, and they can use the port side right there to get in and out.
Awesome.
Makes it a little bit more private. If you want to go in there?
Sure.
It sound right, boys.
Is that a live feed?
Yes, of the engine room.
Awesome, we got a live feed of the engine room right from the captain's quarters. Alright, walking down to the living quarters now. We have, you said 4 rooms? 4 rooms and the master. Just go into one of them right here. Bunk beds. The bathroom. And then walking down into the master here. Plenty of closet space.
The master bath on the side is actually a closet now.
Is it really? Wow. This is all new to me. I'm not not big into boats, but
Yeah. It's a very different world.
very cool. Similar to the master is the VIP suite right here. Private bathroom as well. We're walking up through the hatch now. It is raining, so hopefully we don't get soaked. Oh boy. You have another captain's deck up here, and plenty of space just to hang out. Alright, and now that it's raining, our shoes are soaking wet, so wish us luck. So that was pretty cool. We got to tour a 76-foot boat. obviously not the biggest here, but still really cool to go on, bunch of rooms and everything. And while we were on the boat, it was pouring, so now our shoes are completely soaked, filled with water soaked, so we have to walk back barefoot now, so wish us luck. That's gonna do it for us today here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. We saw a lot of cool boats, also a lot of cool cars. Also got to tour that 76-footer from Denison, so thank you to those guys for letting us do that. But just like that, this video is over. Remember to be kind, be happy, and be grateful, and we'll see you in the next one.
It sound right, boy.